Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say I did not know that my camera was recording in this format, so that's why I look a little different, but it will get better once you keep watching the video. But today I'm going to show y'all how to repair your lace if it's ripped or got a little hole in it, stuff like that. This is one of my favorite wigs. I ripped it apart somehow. I was so mad. It's a bob, so I'm gonna just show y'all how to fix this. And I was gonna throw this wig away, but I'm like, nah, let me keep this and fix it. All you need is a curved needle, the same needle you use for sew-ins and stuff like that. And then you also need some transparent lace thread. And you just want to start sewing this like you would do a regular sew-in, or if you was just sewing anything, period. This is just me sewing the lace. It's more of a repetitive process. It takes a long time. Mine's gonna take a little longer because I ripped the whole part. So I'm just gonna speed this video up, and I will be back when I'm about halfway through or pretty much almost done. Okay, I'm back. This is just me pretty much finishing up sewing all the lace together. This is pretty much how it looks all sewn up together. There is finally a part. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna pluck this part to make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, now that I have my wig laid down, I'm just going in and making sure it's tight. Everything is laying the way I want it to. There's no loose holes. If there is, I can still glue that down. And I bet y'all can't guess what song I was listening to. I was really in here having a little whole concert. Okay, now that I have my wig laid down securely, I'm just gonna go in and make a few baby hairs. I'm just gonna part my hair a little bit in the front, and I'm gonna take a eyebrow razor pencil, and I'm just gonna cut my baby hairs the way I want them to, and I'm gonna use some Got2b glue just to style them, and I will be back with the final look. Okay, wig, I see you come through a little bit for me. But this is the final outcome of this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed, learned a little bit of something. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.